Hey everybody, it's Aaron at Warmoth, and today we are going to find out what kind of tones we can get out of the new Warmoth Redshifter. If you want to know all the specs of this, make sure and check out the specs video. This one is all about the tones. But before we get going, just as a reminder, I'm playing through a pair of bare knuckle Holy Divers. I went through like 7 different sets of bare knuckle pickups when we were doing the prototypes for this guitar, and those are the ones I like the best. The volume and tone pots are both PRS pots. I really like the sweep of those and the feel. And the volume pot has a treble bleed cap on it, so you don't lose the high end as you turn down. This turquoise one that I'm playing is just the prototype. I don't want to scratch up or get my greasy paws all over the actual ones that are for sale. Red shift and blue shift are techniques that astronomers use to tell whether a star or a light source is moving further away from you or coming closer to you. It's sort of like the Doppler effect, sort of like when you hear a police siren that drops in pitch as it gets further away or rises in pitch as it comes closer. Well, red shift and blue shift are the equivalent of that with light waves. And if you are a longtime follower of the Warmoth channel, you know that I always check the guitars for maximum versatility, so I'm going to do that right now. And that is what the Warmoth Redshifter sounds like. If you have any more questions, check out our website or give our customer service reps a call. And until next time, keep on picking.